In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome if it's running very slow. We all rely heavily on our web browsers, and Google Chrome is undoubtedly one of the most popular choices. However, sometimes it can become sluggish, which can be incredibly frustrating, especially if you're trying to work or browse efficiently. So let's jump right into the steps you can take to speed things up and get Chrome back to running smoothly. First, it's important to understand that a slow browser can be attributed to a variety of factors. It could be due to an overload of cache and cookies, too many background extensions running, or simply the need for an update. With these possibilities in mind, let's start by clearing your cache and cookies. Open your Chrome browser and click the three vertical dots in the top right corner to access the menu. From there, navigate to More Tools and then Clear Browsing Data. A window will pop up where you can select the time range for which you want to clear the data. For a more thorough cleanup, select All Time, ensure both cookies and other site data and cached images and files are checked, and click on Clear Data. This should help free up memory and remove any outdated data that might be causing delays. Next, consider disabling unnecessary extensions. These can significantly slow down your browser's performance. Go back to the browser menu by clicking the three dots in the top corner, scroll to More Tools, and then click on Extensions. Here you'll see all the extensions you have installed. Disable or remove the ones you don't use frequently. Simply toggle off the switch or click Remove if you no longer need the extension. After you've streamlined your extensions, let's ensure your browser is up to date. An outdated version might be lacking necessary speed enhancements or security updates. To check, click on the three dots again, head to Help, and then select About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them. You'll then need to relaunch the browser to apply these updates. Occasionally, the problem might not be with Chrome itself, but with your computer's performance. Restarting your computer can give it a fresh start, terminating tasks that might be consuming unnecessary resources. After restarting, open Chrome again to see if there's an improvement in speed. Lastly, if all else fails, consider resetting Chrome settings to their original defaults. This is a more drastic measure, but can be effective if previous steps haven't worked. Go back to the menu, click on Settings, scroll down to Advanced, and at the bottom, you'll find Reset and Cleanup. Select Restore settings to their original defaults to begin the process. Follow these steps, and your Chrome browser should be running much more efficiently. Remember to periodically repeat these maintenance steps to keep it in top condition. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips help you enjoy a smoother browsing experience.